Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will begin the whole operation of updating the apps, you have to have the internet connection. So it doesn't matter if you will have the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, but I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi to this operation because if you will use the mobile data, then your carrier provider may charge you. So let's make sure that you've got the Wi-Fi connection and then we can enter the Play Store. I don't know what happened. So let's find the Play Store and enter. And as you can see right now, all we have to do is to simply tap on the circle, which is simply our account. Of course, if you're not logged in, then you will have to do it before the updating, obviously. So let's tap on the circle and here we have to tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. So in my case, I've got 57 of them. So if you want to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see right now, we can check that I've got 42 updates pending, which I can download and apply. So all we have to do right now is to simply find the update we would like to apply. So for example, maybe Gmail. And all you have to do is to simply mark this app. Of course, as you can see, you can mark all of them, I don't know, 3, 4, and so on, up to you. And if you are ready, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, and this update will be downloaded. After that, it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. It will also disappear from this list, which means that we just downloaded this update. So actually everything is automatic. You do not have to do anything manually. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.